Hey, it's Katie. Check out this awesome Christmas dessert board that I put together. We've got flavors like cranberry and ginger snap, and you guys are gonna love it. So to start off, I'm prepping some quick vanilla cupcakes. I'm just using a box mix, although I do make a few additions, and that recipe will be down in the description box below, and I bake those off. And then you guys, I make sugared cranberries, and they're super easy. You just take sugar and boiling water, and I just boil my water up in the microwave and then just add the sugar and stir until it's dissolved. If it's not dissolved, microwave it for another 30 seconds, give it a stir till it's completely dissolved. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna let it cool off a bit, and then you're gonna dip your clean or washed cranberries, I guess I should say, into the sugar mixture. You're then just gonna let them chill, and by chill I don't mean in the fridge, I mean relax, okay? Take a load off. They're gonna sit on the counter and they're just gonna get tacky. You wanna wait till they get a little tacky, which is about an hour. You can usually wait a little bit longer, like 45 minutes or hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours. I think these ones I ended up leaving them for maybe 3 hours. You wanna be careful though, because then they can start to not be tacky anymore. Anyway, an hour is probably good. Then you are going to take just white granulated sugar and you're gonna give them a little roll, and they're beautiful. You guys, these could be used in so many different ways for Christmas, but we're gonna use them on the cupcakes and on the dessert board. So that's the sugar cranberries. We're then gonna make a cranberry filling for the cupcakes, and I like tying this together here, and it's really simple. It's just cranberries and sugar and cornstarch and water. Gonna bring that up to a boil till the cranberries burst and it's thickened, and then let that cool. And I like to make that the day before, although you could do it a couple hours ahead of time as well. And then you guys, I made whipped frosting for my cupcake frosting. Now that is a video that I already have. It's just a quick 4-minute video. I'm gonna link it down below. Favorite frosting, favorite recipe probably ever. And I actually ended up coloring mine. You guys, this was a massive mental debate. I really should have asked Instagram, but anyway, I made the decision. I don't know if I made the right one. You guys can tell me in the comments below. And to color this frosting, I added crimson and I added brown. I wanted it to be more in that cranberry pomegranate color, and I think I mostly accomplished it. I honestly was like, I don't know. It's okay. So anyway, colored the frosting, transferred it to a piping bag fitted with a star tip, and I did my cupcakes 2 different ways. And I was being too lazy to fill my cupcake, so this is what I do when I'm lazy. I'll create like pipe a ring around the cupcake, and then I'll spoon the cranberry sauce in the middle, and then I'll just finish piping a swirl over the top, and then I topped some of those with sugared cranberries. And then the other way, I like to just see the filling, so I just piped a ring and scooped the filling in the middle there. And that was kind of the 2 variations, which I thought, even though they're exactly the same flavors, I thought it created a nice variety visually on the board. And then for my ginger snap sandwich cookies. Now, I'm going to link below my video with my ginger snap cookies in them. Same exact recipe, so I'm not going to bore you with the details again. But it's a family recipe, and it is an excellent one. And you're going to bake the cookies up just a little bit smaller. I did like no bigger than 1 inch, just slightly less than that, but you could do any size. And I baked those off, and again, they're gonna bake a little bit faster because they're smaller, so you just wanna keep an eye on them. And then I made a quick buttercream just with a stick of butter, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla, and a little bit of cream, and transferred that to a piping bag. So I just took the 2 cookie halves, put the buttercream in the middle, sandwiched them together, and that was that. So it's time to put the board together, and I'm always working biggest to smallest. So I put the cupcakes on first, and then continued arranging from there. I used the cookies, and I used some candy, and I also added in some orange slices, which you guys, I really believe in balance when I build these boards. Not only balance in visual appearance, but really balance in taste and texture. So you guys, I'm adding in the orange slices, adding in pecans. You guys, there's no sugar in them, and I think they add a nice texture, and they add just a nice balance again to the sweetness on the board. And then I added some of those sugared cranberries, and you guys, I'm always just kind of shifting things around until it is the way I want it. And you guys, if you want more of my tips and tricks, I do have my dessert board PDF down below in the description box. It's completely free. But anyway, I pulled the board together, and this is what it looks like. You guys, I'm really excited. I think it turned out really nice. Hopefully you guys think so too. And I'd love for you to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.